Did you know? Thousands of people search for Dr. Sebi's alkaline food list every month. But many websites mix approved and non-approved foods together. In this video, I'll show you the foods commonly included in Dr. Sebi's alkaline eating guide so you can easily understand what belongs on the list. If you've already watched my video explaining the alkaline diet, this video is different.
So let's start the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Today we're focusing only on the food list, divided into easy categories. 1. Vegetables. According to Dr. Sebi's Alkaline Food Guide, vegetables make up a major part of the diet. Some commonly listed vegetables include kale, cabbage, cucumber, zucchini, okra, bell peppers, mushrooms, onions, garlic, arugula, dandelion greens. See vegetables like nori and dulse. The idea is to eat plenty of plant foods. 2. Fruits. The next category is fruits. Some commonly included fruits are avocados, apples, grapes, berries, cherries, figs, dates, mangoes, papaya, pears, plums. Fresh fruit is generally preferred over processed fruit products. 3. Grains. Unlike many diets, only a few grains are commonly listed. Examples include quinoa, wild rice, amaranth, teff. These grains are often used instead of refined white rice or wheat products. 4. Nuts and seeds. Healthy fats can come from foods like walnuts, hemp seeds, sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, Brazil nuts. These are often eaten in moderation. 5. Beans. Some beans commonly included are chickpeas, lentils. However, not every bean appears on every Dr. Sebi food list, so many followers check the approved list carefully. 6. Herbs and spices. Popular herbs include basil, thyme, oregano, sage, cayenne pepper, ginger. These are commonly used to add flavor without processed sauces. 7. Drinks. Many followers choose drinks like spring water, herbal teas, natural fruit smoothies. Sugary soft drinks are generally avoided. Here are a few simple meal ideas inspired by the commonly shared Dr. Sebi alkaline food list. For breakfast, you could enjoy a warm bowl of quinoa porridge topped with fresh berries, chopped walnuts, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. For lunch, try wild rice served with sautéed kale, mushrooms, bell peppers, and creamy avocado. If you need a snack, fresh grapes, sliced pears, or a small handful of walnuts are all great options. For dinner, you can have quinoa or amaranth paired with zucchini, okra, onions, and chickpeas for a balanced, plant-based meal.